So we got the aluminium trial crash bars from Adventure Spec. This is the hardware, some balls, screws, nuts and spacers. I'm going to read the manual in a minute. These are the bars, very lightweight, almost nothing. The specs are on their website. We're going to mount it on the bike. I just put the decals on it yesterday. Looks very cool if you ask me. It's green with black texture. So now I'm gonna take you with me on how to install these trial crash bars. Not too difficult, I did it before, but now in a video. So here we go. These two need to come loose. Also on this side. Then this one goes in with the bolts and the washers. Here it shows these two bolts. This one and that one. And then we can mount the bars. It speaks for itself. Ja, die ligt aan de andere kant. That one. This one. Dat is een mooi man. Now these line up. It's not too tight, so you can adjust it a bit. And also in here. And now you can tighten up everything when these are bolted in. So everything tightened. And this one, this one, this one. Also this one's up here. Looks really solid. They also put in these ones. These are the protectors of the protectors. So not very useful, but it keeps the crash bars from scratching. So next up the Adventure rack. Box support is what they call it, from Adventure Spec. It's a rear rack for luggage. Let's see how it looks. Light is right. Bolts. This is the hardware. This is the rack. So this is the rack. It's very light. Also the specs are on the website. We're going to mount this one on the bike right now. Small spacers.
Valt dit wel onder de big spacers, toch?
The long ones in the front, small ones in the rear.
That's what she said.
Nice. So this is the result. The rack, decals, full exhaust system. We also have here the crash bars mounted. Crash bars and rear plate is from Adventure Spec. Skid plate is coming, and also side racks will come here. This is for the tank bag, and that is a navigation setup. Mirrors.
Well, this is the result for now. We're still waiting on the skid plate. That will arrive soon from Adventure Spec. I also ordered the AirTag license plate holder, so it will be a lot shorter and a bit more nice. The Adventure Spec rear rack is really awesome. It's very lightweight, just like the crash bars. I have to see how they hold up after a crash. As you can see here, we mounted the Lonerider bag on it with the straps, pretty solid. This is the Lonerider duffel bag. I really like this color green. Matches very well with the decal kit and the whole bike itself. We also mounted the mini bags on the front. It's just a light travel setup where you can take, if you are on a road trip, your clothes and some rain stuff. It's ideal. In combination with this, Epco and Becker tank bag for your quick stuff. So thanks for watching. See you guys next time.